So you might be in a situation where for some reason your speaker is just not working on your Windows 11 PC. Now, doing this is very basic and it can happen for a couple of different reasons. Number one, the first thing you want to do is check your speaker icon and just make sure that your speaker icon isn't messed up and that there's not a problem within it. So on the bottom right corner, you're going to be able to see this little pop-up at the very bottom. Tap onto that pop-up and then you're going to be able to see this volume bar. As you can see, mine is grayed out, but depending on your volume bar, if there's not a problem with it, you should be able to go through and expand or decrease this volume right over here. That is kind of one of the first things I'd recommend doing because that will probably end up fixing the problem. Now, another thing you can do is to try reinstalling your audio drivers. So this is just an easy thing to do. Start off by going into your Windows icon over here and searching up Device Manager. So you can just go through, start searching up Device Manager just like this, and you should be able to go through and just open up Device Manager just like so. Now after doing that, what you can do is you want to expand the sound, audio, video, and game controllers option, which shows up right over here. So expand that, and then you're going to be able to find your particular speaker. Now, if your speaker is missing, you can also go through here and you can scan for hardware changes, and it will scan and see if anything is different or if anything's kind of crazy. And from here, it'll go and kind of tell you kind of restart. If your speaker is still missing, you can also try right-clicking on it. You can try clicking on the properties option, and you can see if there's any other options here to kind of adjust. As you can see, there's not much. But if the speakers still aren't working, you might want to try updating your Windows PC. So go back into your Windows settings here, or just tap into your Windows icon, tap onto your settings option here, tap on Windows Update, and try going through and try updating your Windows PC, because that can also be another thing that can end up fixing this problem as well. So those are kind of the main ways to do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.